You start snoring at a certain age, I think. And so Kelly said, well, just put it in your hands after you've massaged it, breathe it in 4, 5, 6, 7 times, and it's going to help. And you know what? It did. It not only helped me, but also my wife enjoyed it in the room. And then she tried it in a bath water, which really made the rooms aromatic, but it helped her with her aches and pains. And so we recommend this product for a lot of different reasons. You should give it a try.